Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So here in this video we are going to do this table chart. So that was part of 1st June 2024. That IELTS exam happened in India. So for that exam there was this table chart. So I am waiting for reading passages also. So for this task 1, what we are going to do? We are going to analyze the table, analyzing skills, how before writing detailed paragraph, how we have to analyze the table chart. How to write introduction, how to write overall paragraph, everything we will be discussing over here. Hopefully full table chart is at the screen. So let's read this table chart. Then we will read the question statement also, everything. So here they are saying number of people living in each countries, where they live. So there are 5 countries, British, Germany, Italian, Polish, Spanish, and total number. Here also British, Germany, Italian, Polish and Spanish and total. It means how many categories are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also a category, total number. So these people, British people are staying in other countries, Germany people are staying in other countries. So analyze the table statement, and yes, first let's read the statement here. The following table shows the number of people from 5 European nations living in each other countries in 2011. So it means this is past tense. Okay, so here shows the number of people from 5 European nations living in each other countries. Okay, now these are the countries. These people country are living in these countries. Now analyze, first of all we will analyze total number. So total number is this. Okay, so what is the highest over here? I can see this 11,98,000 something. Okay, and the second one is 10 lakhs. So you can count it, last 3 is thousands, and then so you can just count accordingly. This is the highest, this is the second one, and this is the least one. So these things we have to always look for the task 1, highest, least, maximum, like any striking point. And now according to the country wise, British people, they stayed in Germany, Italian, Polish and Spanish. So surprisingly, out of total, so here in Polish, British people are staying more. Okay, so this is number 1. So I am just marking it, and here I am marking it number 1 and number 2, and this is the last number. Okay, so in Germany, from Germany people are staying in British, Italian, for this Polish and Spanish. So Germany people are staying in like Italy. No, I am reading wrong. I am reading in different way. So Italian people are more living in Germany. So this is the situation. I think I am reading it in the wrong way. So these are the where they live, these are the countries, and these number of people living in each countries. Yes, if you do not understand the categories, so how I was reading it in wrong manner, I was trying to find this way. No, number of people, these are number of people from different nations in different countries. So you have to analyze the table like that. See this, British people, they stayed maximum in the total number of people they were having from here, and total number, maximum number of people were staying in Spanish, and Germany maximum number was this, and British, Germany people were preferring to live in Britain. Polish. We are reading like that. So Italian people, British, Germany, so maximum they stayed in Germany and minimum at Polish. Okay, so Polish people, they maximum stayed in Britain. See this is the maximum. And Spanish people, they prefer to stay in Germany again. See this, Germany, and total was this. Okay, so here also Britishers. So when we will write body detail paragraphs, we will write according to the countries. So I have written according to the country wise. So out of total Britain country, total people stayed outside is 10,37,000, and maximum people out of other countries compared to other countries, this 5.5 lakhs, like 5 lakhs 50,000 people stayed, they preferred in Polish country, Polish. Okay, so this way we will write it according to the country. Just find the total and just find the maximum people living in another country. So another things that I would like to tell you here, whenever you are getting writing task 1 question, always analyze the table, read the question statement, analyze the table, find the highest and lowest and trends, any trends and patterns going on. More than and lower than words you have to use in your writing, instead of nation, because here they are talking about each countries, they are talking about nations and countries. So we can change these words, nations, countries, or European nations, or local regions and all, we can in Europe. So we can say population, so population, number of people, population, masses, populace, or individuals or citizens of Britain, and all these words we can use it. And other things you should also know it, important things, 150 minimum words you should write it. Those who are saying in 100 words also you can get good bands, no. And if they have if they had made this criteria, please just follow this. For 20 minutes you need it. It doesn't mean that you will not spend, it is easy to write this task 1, you will not spend 20 minutes, you can spend 15, 16, 18 minutes, but focus on this task 1 also. Don't don't give more preference to task 1. So this is also important, task 1 is also important, I am not denying. So 4 paragraph, please make it compulsory in task 1, like especially table, pie chart, bar chart, it will automatically come out. So 4 paragraphs include introduction, overall, and body detail paragraphs. Means here you can make 2 paragraphs or 3 also, it's your wish. Now coming to how to write introduction. So this is my question statement. The following table shows the number of people from 5 European nations. So what I have given, this is particular, like in every task 1 I am writing this, the given or the presented table chart. So here they have given table chart illustrates, or you can write the word which compares also you can write, or which compares also you can write, which compares the number of. See, I am getting my own mistakes. See, in the same way, if you just give your 5 minutes or 2 minutes in rereading your essay after finishing it, you will improve your band scores. Number of citizens from 5 different European countries. Instead of nations, I have converted into countries, who prefer to live in each other nations. So we are talking about people, citizens. That's why I have written here who prefer to live in each other nations in the year 2011. This is also particular line. So in every task 1 introduction, please just write it. The statistical data is represented or calibrated, any word you can use it. That's why I have just left it. Is represented in figures. So here no percentage and all was given, so only figuratively things they have given. That's why I am using it in figures. Now coming to overall paragraph. Overall means you need to tell the highest and minimum and any comparison between, like this is the least one, this is the highest one. Okay, so how I have written, you can see this. See this, how I have written overall from the trends. So mostly I am writing like that. Overall it can be seen that this also you can write overall from the trends. The total population of residents living in each other countries was highest from Germany, whereas opposite pattern was followed by Polish citizens, which were least. Okay, so least people prefer to stay outside, otherwise Germany leading the pattern, leading the population in this table chart. So highest and minimum I have compared. I am not finding any striking point from this table, that's why I have not written another important point to consider here. Okay, now body detail paragraph I will be writing according to the country wise. Now let's write this Britain first. Okay, analyzing the table from the first country, which is Britain. The British people had the second largest population in other European nations compared to other nations. The Britishers had more population in Polish, 5,50,000, and total persons living outside British, which were 10,37,000. Okay, I will show you British country data. So British total, we have written this, and number one country where Britishers were staying, this Polish. Okay, so we have been using the highest number of population staying in any country and comparison with this total number of thing. Now we will talk about this and Germany and Polish. I will just write it at the end in comparison between highest and lowest. Okay, now coming to Italian. Now Italian is here taking data from Spain, because after Britain, see this, after Britain, after first is this Germany, second is Britain, and third one is Spanish. That's why I have taken now Spanish, taking data from Spain. Spanish were the Spanish people, also you can write Spanish were the third highest masses in other European regions out of total 8,61,000 Spanish outside. They had been living maximum in Britain with 3,91,000 and least with 86,000 in Polish. See this, and least also I have described. So this is maximum, least is 86,000 Spanish people staying in Polish, and maximum in Britain. Okay, now coming to Italian. So in contrast, the fourth ranked population settled outside the country were Italians, total 1,96,000, and compared to other nations who had the maximum population in Poland. See this, sorry, I mean Polish, yeah, now I understand. Polish means Poland country. Now we will talk about this and this. Now see this, maximum number of population living outside Germany, which had total 11 lakh 98,000 in 2011. And more population stayed in Italy. So we are talking about Germany, 11,98,000 in 2011. More population stayed in Italy. Italy 5,56,000, whilst whereas the minimum population from Poland stayed outside, which was lowest 6,000 only in total. This is total, and they had the largest people in Germany with 4,400. Okay, so this is my writing task 1. You can see full table over here. Table, introduction, overall paragraph, body detail 1, body detail 2, 3, and this last, these two countries about. Okay, so this is full writing task 1.